All right. I don't know what building this is, but we're here at the.
This is a Greer Garson theater.
Oh yeah, this which is connected to Owen. Anyways, this is the Baxter Sons. I think this is Baxter Sons. I can't believe we just stumbled across this elevator.
I know.
That sounds like Otis.
Yeah, Glue's never showed this elevator to me.
All right, let's go to L.
Baxter Sons.
I was right.
Nice.
Oh, I remember this elevator from Alex. Oh my gosh! Hey, look at this phone. It's like it literally fell over.
Oh wow. Let's go to 3 if we can. Is it locked?
No, it's not. I don't think you'll be able to hear the motor well because of the fan.
Oh wow. Oh well.
Is this traction or hydro?
This is a hydro, I think. Or no, it might be traction. Let's switch sides.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get off at 1. You can take another round trip if you'd like.
I appreciate it, but I'm actually going to go for one ride this time.
Okay.
Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. I mainly do like more than one round trip if it's fan free and has an epic motor or something really vintage and is beyond worth filming.
Oh, okay.
Don't get me wrong. This is nice too. This definitely is a Baxter & Sons, but Otis replaced the controller.